Are you looking for info about woodworking plans? You are in the right place. The world of woodworking is vast and exciting, suitable for everyone from novices to seasoned craftsmen. These plans guide you through amazing projects, ensuring your woodworking journey starts smoothly. Many people make mistakes when searching for woodworking plans. A common error is underestimating the importance of selecting the right plans. Always ensure your plans match your skill level to avoid frustration and wasted materials. To avoid this mistake, seek out projects designed for your woodworking level. Understand what tools and materials you need before starting. This will set a strong foundation for your success in woodworking. Many newcomers have pressing questions about woodworking plans. One common question is, what types of plans should beginners consider? The answer is to look for easy woodworking plans that clearly guide you through each step. The first 50 plans are on us. Click the link in the description. With these plans, your woodworking journey will transform from an idea to a reality.